The Classic Plus series by Liberty Safe is an American-made heavy-duty safe that comes in 3 sizes, all with level 7 security and 110 minutes of fire protection at 1200 degrees. Level 7 security ensures that your property is always protected with a 10-gauge folded steel frame. The door is equipped with up to 16 3/8 of an inch thick military-style locking bars, a ball-bearing hard plate, and a slip clutch mechanism to prevent forced entry. Coming in your choice of color, hardware options, and up to 4 interior configurations. This safe features a dual-step door design that's almost impossible to prime and provides additional fire protection. It also includes lights and a dry rod dehumidifier. The Classic Plus series is one of our finest high-end safes and is the level below our Presidential series that features level 8 security and 2.5 hours of fire protection. And as with all Liberty safes, both safes are protected by our extensive lifetime warranty.